How do you make a Taurus man fall in love? A Taurus man is steady, loyal, and deeply connected to comfort and beauty. Ruled by Venus, he appreciates stability, sensuality, and sincerity in a partner. Winning his heart takes time, but the reward is a deeply devoted love. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward yet powerful tips to help make a Taurus man fall in love. 1. Be consistent. Taurus men dislike surprises when it comes to emotions. Stay steady, honest, and clear about your intentions. Flaky or unpredictable behavior will push him away. 2. Appeal to his senses. He's highly sensual. Wear soft fabrics, use subtle perfume, cook delicious meals, or light a candle with a warm scent. Sensory experiences speak to his heart more than words. 3. Don't rush him. He moves slowly in love. Give him space and time to feel secure. Pressure will only make him retreat. Let the relationship grow at his natural pace. 4. Show loyalty. Taurus men value trust above all. Be reliable and supportive. If he sees that you're loyal through actions, not just words, he'll begin to open up emotionally. 5. Look polished and put together. He has a strong appreciation for beauty and good taste. Keep your appearance neat and refined. You don't need to be flashy, just elegant and confident. 6. Be patient in conflict. If there's disagreement, stay calm. He doesn't like drama or confrontation. Gentle communication and calm energy will earn his respect and affection. 7. Make him comfortable. He loves cozy environments and routines. Whether it's a relaxing night at home or his favorite meal after work, create moments that make him feel secure and at ease. 8. Give thoughtful gestures. You don't need grand displays. A small gift, a kind message, or remembering his favorite snack goes a long way. Thoughtfulness touches him deeply. 9. Build shared routines. He likes familiar patterns. Suggest regular activities you both enjoy, like cooking together or a weekly walk. These rituals create emotional closeness. 10. Stand firm, kindly. While he admires kindness, he also respects strength. Have your own opinions. Speak with confidence and calm. He's drawn to those who know their worth. To love a Taurus man is to grow slowly but surely into his world. Be genuine, grounded, and attentive. If he trusts you, his love will be steady, strong, and lasting. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.